माहिती आणि तंत्रज्ञान खात्यात पैसे घेऊन काम दिवपी वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्यांक निलंबित करचे अशी मागणी करीत युथ काँग्रेसीन आयटी संचालकाक घेराव घालो. नोकरे खातीर पैसे मागपी त्या अधिकाऱ्यांक आताच निलंबित करचे म्हणून युथ काँग्रेसीचे कार्यकर्ते आयटी खात्यात ठाण मांडून बसले. तांकां निलंबित करिना तो मेरेन हांगाच्यान हालचे नात अशी भूमिका तांणी घेतिल्ली. या अधिकाऱ्याचो कामा खातीर पैसे मागपाचो ऑडियो व्हायरल जाल्लो. हेच फाटभुंयेर युथ काँग्रेसीन आयटी संचालकाक घेराव घालो.
पूण आमकां हांगा उलोवपाक दिना, आमकां आडयता हांगा. सर हे कितें दिसता कितें जाता हांगा. यू कॅन सी वॉट इज हॅपनिंग हियर. दिस इज कंप्लीट गुंडागर्दी अँड कंप्लीट दादागिरी ऑफ वॉट इज हॅपनिंग. दिस इज नॉट वॉट वी वॉन्ट. वी वॉन्ट जॉब्स. वी वॉन्ट जॉब्स. वी वॉन्ट जॉब्स. सर आमकां सस्पेन्शन लेटर यू कॅन नॉट डू इट.
Ma'am, recently there was an audio clip. It was yesterday. It was made viral, and today, unfortunately, the clip is being deleted by the concerned media. I do not know, but the clip says that one of the person from your department, okay, I won't take his name. He has asked the youth who's applying for a job bribe. He has asked for 1 lakh. And that youth there has been telling him that he has no money, he is completely into financial despair. In spite of that, the concerned person has been asking 50,000 in advance, 15,000 later, 50,000. Are you aware of this case? You are aware?
We are aware of the case, yeah, because of the media and the social media and news channels, and we have started initiation of the action also. The matter has already been referred to the vigilance to initiate necessary action as and when we get instructions from the vigilance department. We'll do.
But my question to you here is, if the media had not brought it out, were you all aware there's corruption happening in your department? I would want to know what is the procedure for putting up the vacancy, the post. Have you all followed any particular procedure?
Yes. There's one interview with respect to startups for junior associate and senior associate. It has already been published in the newspapers and also on the ITG website for the opening of the post.
Okay, but do you all know how many applications have got in that?
I exactly do not know the number, but we had received, I think, around 10 applications in
Can you
each
please
of the
check with your department now?
I'll check.
No,
and
now,
I'll let
now.
you. I'll check and I'll let you.
Yeah, we'll wait. Repeat.
He is on
Because that's a
duty.
straight
There is the
allegation.
vigilance department.
No,
where is he right now?
that's not right.
See, we are taking initiation of the action. We cannot
Initiation
directly
is fine,
pass
but
the orders.
they're not asking to terminate him. At least he should be on.
So he's not yet suspended.
The file is moved to the vigilance department. We are awaiting their
न्याय विचारपा आयला. युथांक ते विचारता पैसे. जेन्ना युथ बेकार बसलेले घरा आसा तांचे कडेन पैसे ना. हांगा तो डिरेक्टर बसला कामार. ताका सस्पेंड करूं ना. आमी मागता ताका सस्पेंड करूं जाय. Right now he has to be suspended, and that is going to be a justice to the youth of Goa. If the government of Goa says that they are for the unemployed youth, then we demand a suspension letter from the department coming to the officer. They cannot do this. We condemn this act. Shame, shame.